Tēnā koutou e te whānau te Umuariki for the ABCs of Te Reo Māori. Nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai. Whānau, this is round 2 of our 4-part series, our auditorials. Our auditorials, listen up, whakarongo, titiro, kōrero mai. Well done, you guys. You did so well on the visual. Now we're going to focus on these letters here on the screen and the sounds. Listen up, listen carefully, and nice and clear after me. Kiimai te pū a. E. I. O. U. Well done. I'm going to do it again. I'll give you 5 kupu for each letter. Kiimai te pū a. Ai. Ake. Ako. Ata. Ana. Kiimai te pū e. E hia. E hoa. Eke. Ia. Emi emi. Kiimai te pū I. Iho. Ihu. Ika. Inā nahi. Inā pō. Kiimai te pū o. Oho. Oko. Ono. Oma. Ope. Kiimai te pū u. Ua. Uku. Ua ua. Umu. Uri. Tēnā koutou. That's the short sounds, a little pause, and we're on to the home straight, OROPUARE roa. Ka pai koutou, kiimai te pū a. Aku. Au. Ana. Aporo. Apōpō. Kiimai te pū e. E nei. E nā. E rā. E hara. E tahi. Kiimai te pū I. I nia. I tari. I hipa. I ngoa. I nanga. Kiimai te pū o. Oku. Ou. Ona. O tautahi. O te poti. Kiimai te pū u. Ukui. Ukura. Ukaipo. Upoko. Uenuku. Tēnā pai koutou. And whānau, as you can see, there's some double letters down the bottom. Sometimes we have those when a word is made up of, has the 2 letters side by side. Words such as manaki, whakaro. And it's made up of whaka and aro and mana and aki. Ātāhua. Ātārangi. Ka pai koutou, have a go at writing all those kupu down, and let's see if you can remember them. Play this a couple of times, practice. I'll be back tomorrow with our next tape, our close sounds, our orokati. Been great working with you today. Great listening. Kia kaha, kōrero te reo Māori, Aoitepö, haere huie, taiki e.